we've got three superpowers. The body is one. Like, so cultivating, developing your body, being as healthy as you can given the vehicle that you're in. So that's very different for everyone. The second is breath. Breath is a superpower. We, on the whole, ignore it, because it just happens without us thinking about it. Your breath is in every cell of your body. Breath is your bridge between the internal and the external worlds. The fastest and most direct way to get chi, ki, prana, whatever you want to call it, into your body is through your breath, through your nose. The third one is mind. And our minds are pretty much unruly teenagers. They're kind of doing their own thing and thinking their own thoughts, but if we can direct and focus, even if that is temporary, temporary or short amounts of time, then the combination of the body that is being cultivated, the breath that is being cultivated, and the mind linking those three together, that's another level.